welcome back to another video. As you can see, we are back at our veranda. I want to say entrance hall, but this is on completely opposite side of the house, and we're gonna be working on this. This is kind of gonna become a glass veranda, so we came to a conclusion while standing for 30 minutes and looking at it that maybe we need to take the whole thing down and do it from scratch, just to be better, because this roof, it is holding out the water, but it's not in the best condition. Most of this wood is quite rotten, and we can redo it properly with a wind barrier and enough room for insulation, since we do want it to be used in winter as well and work as kind of a secondary barrier for that big door there that's gonna go there. So it's gonna be kind of, you know, insulation, kind of an air gap between the door and the house. So that's gonna be very good. And also we can put a small radiator inside in winter and sit here and or put an actual radiator from the central heating or electric radiator. So yeah, what we're gonna do is take off the roof. We're gonna see if the tiles are salvageable, since there is a lot of moss on them, and the moss creates peeling from the roof. So if that's the case, then we might need to just put a different type of roof and kind of try to connect it. And then we're gonna do wind barrier like we did on the barn, and also change all the framing. Of course, we're gonna start first with upward. So we're gonna be, instead of going kind of underneath this framing, we're gonna be going fully from bottom to top, except the foundation is in good condition. So we're gonna be able to build it much faster and better as well. Let's get started, and in this video we are just gonna demolish it, and in the next video we're gonna start working on the framing. So let's get started taking off all the roof tiles.
thing, no?
Yeah, I can the bottom. It's all like stone household, so we will get So as you can see, we've gotten this far and most of the roof is gone, most of the framing is gone. A bit left on that side, and as you saw, the wall was moving like crazy. This one here, so it's a bit of a hazard, we need to take it down. And another thing is that they had cemented.
Sorry.
Yeah, go higher. Evie!
Evie, ohi.
Don't break your bone.
You remember what happened last year?
Broke your tail. Yes. So anyways, they had cemented the tiles together and kind of trying to stop wind from going under, but cement of course is not waterproof in that sense, and it of course leaks under the cement and into the house, and it has created quite a bit of not rot. The wood is all good because it wasn't enough, but the clay wall, kind of like it had clay bricks, those are all kind of faded, so those all need to be cleaned up and we need to re-brick it. But yeah, it's pretty much destroyed all those tiles there, and we will fix it correctly. We'll see exactly how we do this, because we also had like a bit of an idea maybe to make this also 2 stories, but not from gas beton, which is these blocks that we used on that one, but from wood purely. So we're kind of going all over the place. It's kind of getting crazy, but it has solid foundation, and we're gonna start building the frame, of course, in another video, and then we're gonna see exactly, do we want to keep going much higher or how we want to do it. Because we could easily go 2 stories high and connect it into that. And this time we're not going to use those tiles because those are just in really bad condition. We're going to buy new tiles, exactly the ones we want to put the whole roof. The whole roof would cost a few thousand to change, but this part is going to be only a couple hundred, so we can afford that. And get that fresh roof on it, because those tiles are pretty much unusable. The moss just penetrated them, and in frost they just froze and cracked. So yeah, let's drop this wall down. Evie, you're in danger zone.
Yeah, she needs to go inside.
She has no hard hat on. She needs a little hard hat.
No, no, Evie.
Bravo, Evie. Oh, yeah.
No, no, Evie, you go inside. You know why she's doing that? Because she wants to go inside. She's just trying to get attention. Evie, wait a minute. I don't know, that felt kind of like really.
I mean, this was probably their mistake. I don't know why they decided, let's put some wood in the wall. That definitely doesn't work. It expands and completely cracks. But sure.
That was really kind of pathetically.
Yeah, those are giant blobs that we're not going to be able to move though.
Hmm.
Excavator only. Okay, Epic?
Wait.
Is that a bit
That's
better?
a bit better.
That's a hinged wall, I guess. Foundation? Very good foundation. I mean, maybe it was built pretty well, it just cracked over time. Actually, no, the wood part, no.
Evie! No, 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 Evie.
You want to hurt your bone again? The top of the world, really quick.
Evie? Careful.
I think there's cement, which is not good. Ah, again wood. That's...
I guess that could be.
That probably expanded, lifted up the whole
wood,
wall,
yeah.
and created a problem.
So do not cement structurally with wood.
They wanted it so they can secure the frames to it. But not very smart. They're so angry at me. I'm going.
Enzo! Boo-boo.
You used to live in here and take a shit in here.
Excuse me, chickens. What is happening?
So as you can see, we are all demolitioned. We have demolished it, and there's nothing left here except the rubble, which is a lot to clean up. And a lot of the flatter pieces we are gonna put at the very bottom, which is gonna be like below the flooring. So we're gonna put below this. We're gonna put these ones below, and then maybe put the insulation. I'm gonna put some like foam, and then put the actual floor in here, like the laminated floor or something like that. We'll see what exactly we do here. But that's pretty much it for today. As you also see, we covered this up so rain doesn't get in, and we are kind of good for leaving it because we have some other jobs to do. We're getting an excavator, so we actually have to clean up the barn, and since we're going to be destroying the walls there and prepare for the temporary bathroom which has to be installed. It's a fully packed summer. This summer will be the most packed I think we have ever had, and the most amount of work. And also Desperate has some health problems she's going to explain on her channel. So yeah, that's also going to slow us down a bit. But hope you enjoyed. We're going to see you next time. Bye bye.
That's a lot of work.